Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, we are going to be making chin chin. Yes, so yummy, crunching and delicious chin chin is what we are going to be making. So I'm going to be listing everything on my description box. Feel free to check it out. So we are going to be whisking. So feel free to check my comment section. So I'm going to be dropping the ingredients of everything I used. So I have about 2 kg of flour here. So what I'm going to be doing now is to add my baking powder into it, nutmeg, and I'm also going to be adding my salt, I'm going to be using the white and brown sugar is what I'm going to be using. So I just added it. I'm going to mix everything together. And make sure all your ingredients are on room temperature. So I'm going to be adding butter to it. While we go ahead and so after well combined, so I'm going to be adding our wet ingredients to it. So I'm going to open a well at the middle. So if you have the mixer, you can also use your standard mixer to mix it. So this is it, guys. So I'm going to, cover it, allow it to rest for about 30 minutes, before we go ahead. So guys, our dough have been resting for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to be sharing it into two while we begin the other side. So guys, this is it. I'm just going to start then using my pizza cutter to cut. are going to be frying. Guys, this is the reason why you are frying your chinchin or buns. You need a bigger bowl because of this form. You need a bigger bowl to fry chinchin or buns. If not, all your gas is going to feed up with oil. So it's very good you use a bigger pot to fry it. So you guys can see it's forming. So guys, our chinchin is ready.